A bird came down the walk. He did not know I saw. He bit an angel worm in halves and ate the fellow raw. And then he drank a dew from a convenient grass, and then hopped sideways to the wall to let the beetle pass. A bird, nature, its actions, beauty. He glanced with rapid eyes that hurried all abroad. They looked like frightened beads, I thought. He stirred his velvet head. Nature is conscious. Nature is omnipotent. Like one in danger, cautious. I offered him a crumb, and he unrolled his feathers and rode him softer home. Nature is fed up. Are we deserving? Then oars divide the ocean, two silver for a seam, or butterflies of banks of noon leap splashes as they swim. What else has grown fed up? Will this be the end for it, or for us?